Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Therapy. Today I'm going to be trying out for the first time Nature's Little Secret products. So first time I heard of Nature's Little Secret is when I started my Instagram, and I started following Naturally Madison, my girl Ashley, a curly girl of Curly World, and so many others have been raving about their products. So I was like, you know what? Let me make a purchase. So I had picked up avocado moisture cream. Don't mind my nails, don't mind my nails. I picked up flaxseed curling custard and herbal hair and scalp oil. So yeah, those are the three things that I use to achieve this, I'm gonna say, chunky twist out. But this video is not about how to do a chunky twist out video. This is just me bringing you guys along for me trying out these products for the first time and my results. And I threw this little decorative thing on there to spice things up. But yeah, let me know if you want me to have more videos on my channel, not necessarily showing you how to do like the basic twist out, braid out, but like sprucing it up and adding some pizzazz, adding your own little flair to it. Let me know and I can start doing more of that. Yeah, so this is what this video is going to be about. So if you're interested, please keep watching. But make sure also that you hit that subscribe button. Click the bell if you want to. That's your prerogative. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at therapy4_, and I'll be sure to follow you back. All right, let's get into this video. I got the flaxseed, the avocado, and the herbal oil. I ordered these products I got them maybe the second weekend in March. And so my hair was in a protective style and stuff. And so I never got a chance. I've been using the oil. I never got a chance to try the other two. And I was saying it's a coincidence, you know, that I'm trying them now. This is a small Black-owned business. And with everything that's going on in the hair community this past week, and, you know, all this talk about supporting Black-owned businesses as opposed to these larger non-Black-owned businesses, and just I try to stay out of publicly the discussions and stuff. I don't know. Everyone has an opinion. Everyone's entitled to their opinion, and oftentimes people forget that their opinion is not the only one. And oftentimes people are going to agree with your opinion and people are going to disagree with your opinion, and that's just the way life goes. So for me, I just started buying products from smaller Black-owned businesses, but I love the Made Choice, which is a really big one and stuff like that. And I've used products by non-Black-owned businesses as well, and so I don't see anything wrong with it. You know, you gotta do, and you might just be interested in the product. I mean, you might see something and you're like, oh, I want to try that out. And I don't think you should feel guilt or, you know, gotta look over your shoulder to make sure no one's watching you type of thing. I think my side of it is just, can we just embrace this focus and this spotlight that natural hair and natural hair products just have been getting in general? Can we just all be happy about the number of products that we can try out? There are things that are exclusive. There are products that, you know, are well made and super duper natural ingredients. And there's stuff that, you know, you can, if you're a struggling college student, for example, and you want to go natural, I mean, that's the stuff that I needed when I was in college and couldn't rub two pennies together. And so those products held a girl down. So I'm not gonna bash any side. This is just where I stand on the whole thing. But anyway, I digress. So So I'm going to be trying out these products today. I think I'm gonna go for a like a chunky twist out one. Twist outs are not my favorite, but I've been seeing a lot of my girlfriends on my timeline and their results have just been so beautiful. So I want to see what mine's gonna look like. I think I'm gonna go for like a chunky twist out and push it off my face a little and do like a some kind of design with some of my bobby pins up top. So we'll see how it all comes together. But I am starting off on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair last night, Friday night, and let's just, I think Friday night is gonna be my wash night. So yeah, I washed my hair yesterday. I used Eden Body Works. I used the peppermint shampoo. I love that stuff. Gets my scalp and my hair so clean. And then I never used, that's the only thing I've used from Eden Body Works before. So I decided to pick up a deep conditioner. I think it was the Jehovah one. And I used some steam. And when I tell you, when I washed that deep conditioner out, my hair felt so soft, guys. Like, it felt like butter. But I put in a leave-in conditioner and I decided to sleep with the shower cap on because I didn't want my hair to dry. But it was too late for me to start doing my hair and record last night. So this is where we are. So yeah, freshly washed, still damp. Have some leave-in in there because at the Curl Essentials event, there was a natural hairstylist there and she was saying, you know, the Denman brush is good and everything, but a lot of us are misusing it. And she said that the Denman brush was created to help straighten natural hair. So, and we're using it to not necessarily straighten, we're using it to detangle. So of course, you know, we have problems with it. And that made a lot of sense to me. So I decided to look into brushes that were created specifically for detangling, and the Felicia one had some really good reviews. So I'm gonna try that out. So I think I'm gonna use 1 pump of the avocado and put that in first. And then I'm gonna use a pump of the flaxseed curling custard. It's too slippery for me to bring up, but that has a lot more movement in it than the butter. So that's probably more like a gel, more like a gel type of, yeah, this feels more like a gel. So this will hopefully bring the hold that I need. Make sure we are nice and detangled. And then we are going to twist. She cute. She cute. She cute. Custard. I like that these products have I like that, you know, these have pumps on it. It makes it so much easier to measure how much to put in each section. Because when it's a jar, I just be like, and hope that I got the right amount, you know? And I could be putting too much in there when I do that. It's not consistent throughout. So I appreciate the pump. When I tell y'all the amount of times that I would see natural girls with their little twist and just be like, you know what, my hair would never look like that. This is when it was breaking off and completely damaged. And I was like, you know what, my hair will never look like that. Like it just will never. And here we are. Here we are. Look at that. Look at those. This is good. This is gonna be a good. This is gonna be, I feel it. This is gonna be some good results. I can feel it in my bones. Alright, we are done. I'm gonna put some oil on top of that. Seal everything in. Seal everything in. Hair definitely looks nice and juicy and moisturized. It feels juicy and moisturized. So I can't wait until it dries. These are a little bit more chunkier than usual. I have 13 twists in my hair altogether. I'll leave a link in the description box on where you guys can find these products. So it's the next day. I'm going to take the bonnet off. So I'm just putting some of my herbal oil on my hands to prevent frizz. And we're going to start to unravel. I usually separate my hair, my curls first, and then I'll style. But I already know what I want to do to my hair, and I think it'll be easier to do it when my hair is like this, clumped together. Maybe I'll have less frizz. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna take, I have my edge brush, I have my edge control, my decorative gold bobby pins. I got these from Target.
Alright, so I'm taking a lot of my edge control and I am putting it on my edges, the edges of my hair up front. As you can see, I want to, basically I'm going to be slicking back the front of my hair using regular bobby pins, so like black bobby pins, so that you can't really see it. So yeah, I'm just smoothing out my edges and adding black bobby pins across the top to hold that hair back. And I'm sorry I'm not facing the camera. I was looking at my mirror, which is to the left of me. And so basically what I'm doing is making a V with 2 bobby pins and then putting space in between each V. So I would stick in the first one, putting it diagonal, and then I would slide the second bobby pin in between that first one that I placed, so that the 2 sides of the V, they don't separate if my, like when I'm asleep or anything, they stay connected because one is inside of the other. And then I would move down a couple of spaces and repeat. And that's basically how I got this design across the top of my head. So yeah, I'm not going to show the whole thing. It's really easy. And this is probably the best view that you're gonna get.
So it kind of looks like a headband. And so now I'm going to put some oil on my hands and separate. So yeah, that concludes this video, and I am pleased. Like, the definition, I mean, she's holding up. The curls are defined for the most part. There's some frizz, but frizz happens. That's a natural girl's life. You can't get away from frizz. But all in all, I'm glad I made this purchase. I'm glad I made this purchase, and I'm glad I saw, you know, I was inspired by other curl friends on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you go follow me. Yeah, and if you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'm super duper happy with my results.